Hello, this is Spencer, and today I will be teaching you about the phases of the moon. So first, we have the new moon. The new moon is how the moon starts off. Yeah, it's just like a new moon. Okay, now we have the waxing crescent. If you're wondering what waxing means slowly getting bigger. And as you see, it's slowly getting bigger. The moon is getting bigger, just to make that clear. Next, we have the... What? Excuse me for just a second. Sorry, I made a mistake. Next, we have the first quarter. The first quarter is still getting bigger. It's not called the waxing because this is the first quarter. Or you could just call it like a half moon. Next, we have the waxing gibbous. The waxing gibbous is still getting bigger. It's almost about to get smaller. Now, we have the full moon. The moon got as big as it could get, and now the only way for it to get big again is to be smaller. Yeah, smaller. So now we have the waning gibbous. So waning means slowly getting smaller. And next we have the third quarter. It's still waning, but you could call it third quarter or half moon still if you want to. Now we have the waning crescent. It's still getting smaller, and it's almost as big as it can get.
It's a crescent.
And yeah, it is a crescent. Now it would go back to new moon again. And now, since we're over all the phases of the moon, we're going to go into eclipses. The solar eclipse is when the moon passes in front of the sun. The moon is dark because there's no sunlight to reflect off the moon. And you can still tell the sun is there because the sun it goes around the moon a little. So you can still see the sun barely. And I advise you wear sunglasses to see this, or you're going to have very, very bad eye problems. Get it? Eye problems? This is a lunar eclipse, another one of the family of eclipses. And a lunar eclipse happens when the moon goes in the Earth's umbra. Like you could think of it as an umbrella, but it's called umbra. And then, in this order, to make the moon red, it's the sun, the Earth, then the moon, and it'll look like the moon is red. Awesome, right? Yeah. And the person who made all of these wonderful drawings is J.P. Scott himself, right here.
Hello.
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for staying through this whole video. Now we just have an exit show, or an outro to do for you. Bye.
Bye.
How's your day going? Yeah. JP? Is this recording stopped yet? I don't know. Do you know?
It hasn't.
Oh. Okay, bye!